The next major sin is failing to donate the obligatory charity. Severe warnings over this sin have been given in the Holy Quran and the narrations of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. For example, a narration found in Sahih Bukhari, number 1403, warns that the person who does not donate their obligatory charity will encounter a large poisonous snake which will continuously bite them on the Day of Judgment. Chapter 3 Ali Imran, verse 180.
And let not those who greedily withhold what Allah has given them of His bounty ever think that it is better for them. Rather, it is worse for them. Their necks will be encircled by what they withheld on the day of resurrection.
According to a narration found in Sunan Ibn Majah, number 4019, when the members of a society withhold the obligatory charity, Allah, the Exalted, will withhold rain, and if it was not for the animals, He would not let it rain at all. This major sin is therefore one potential cause of the long periods of drought some nations face. Not offering the obligatory charity is a sign of extreme greed, as it is only an extremely tiny portion of one's wealth, namely 2.5%. It is clear that the miser is far from Allah, the Exalted, the people, and close to hell. This is confirmed in a narration found in Jami' at-Tirmidhi, number 1961. Muslims must understand that donating the obligatory charity does not only protect them from punishment, but it leads to blessings in one's life which far outweigh the wealth they donated. In fact, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, has made it clear in a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 6592, that charity does not decrease one's wealth. This means that when one donates, Allah, the Exalted, compensates them. For example, He provides them with business opportunities which cause them to gain more wealth than they donated. This repayment is confirmed in many places of the Holy Quran, for example, chapter 57 Al-Hadith, verse 11.
Who is it that would loan Allah a goodly loan, so He will multiply it for him and he will have a noble reward?
In addition, this narration could indicate that as each person's provision is pre-recorded, whatever wealth which is destined to be spent on them will never change irrespective of how much wealth a person donates. This is confirmed in a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 6748. A Muslim must therefore avoid the wrath of Allah, the Exalted, by donating a very small fraction of their wealth in the form of the obligatory charity, while hoping for a reward which is much greater both in this world and the next. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.